Okay, question 3 ufunde ngale ndlela ke. So question 3 uthi A, B, C and D are the vertices of a quadrilateral ABCD such that diagonal AC is perpendicular to BD at T. The equation of BTD is given by this, and AB is 15 units. Now with 3.1, what is calculated the gradient of AC? Determine the gradient of line AC. Now gradient AC ayesikhona ukumthola using the formula. Nangithi formula ngichaza ukuthi 3.1 gradient AC ayengikhona ukumthola using this formula, XC minus XA. Ayesikhona ukuyisebenzisa le formula. We can't use this formula. Why? Because our coordinates kasi young now, ne? But this line, ne? Basiphi equation yakhona. It means the equation for this line ngakhona ukuyithola. The gradient for this line ngakhona ukuyithola. Bangiphe the equation for this line. So therefore the gradient ala ngakhona ukuyithola. And then we can use this gradient to calculate the gradient ka AC ngoba nangwa multiplier. Ama lines are perpendicular, now multiply ama gradients wakhona uthola minus 1. So sizosebenzisa le logic le to calculate the gradient ka AC. So therefore gradient ka AC times gradient ka BD is equal to minus 1. The gradient ka BD is from this line BTD. Singayithola by rewriting this equation ga 2y plus x equal to 18 in this form, y equal to mx plus c. So therefore singathola the gradient ga BD by rearranging this. So 2y, you are making y the subject of the formula, it's minus x. I'm transposing lo x, you figure out minus x plus 18, and then divide everything by 2. Y is equal to minus 1 over 2x plus 18 divided by 2, it's 9. So therefore the minus half lana yafana and like a gradient ga MBD, right? So therefore MAC, so you calculate by substituting this minus half la equal to minus 1. So therefore multiply ngale multiplicative inverse for minus half, it's minus 2 over 1, or you can just divide by minus 1 over 2 both sides. I also found a calculator for AC la. So therefore it's minus 2 over 1. Cancel, negative and a negative is by a positive, so it's AC negative 2 over 1 times minus 1, it's what? It's 2. So a gradient ga AC is what? Is 2. So therefore 3.2, determine the equation of AC in the form y is equal to mx plus c. So a question like this is for an equation of a line. So inside this formula, y minus y1 mx minus x1, right? We need at least 1 point and a gradient. So the line lele silfunayo laga AC, we just calculated the gradient ka AC is given as 2. It's in a point laga a minus 2 and minus 5. Therefore, so inside these two values to calculate the equation for this line. So y1 is minus 5, gradient is 2x, x1 is minus 2. So y it's plus 5 la, 2x, negative and a negative positive. So y plus 5 is equal to 2x plus 4. Mfoilalo 2 inside the bracket is total 2x plus 4 transpose of 5 you figure out minus 5, so y is equal to 2x plus 4 minus 5, it's minus 1. So this is our answer for 3.2. 3.3, but if the equation of AC is given as, must the equation yafana na this one, right? So therefore we are right track. Calculate the coordinates of t. The coordinates of t, I'm not sure what lama coordinates are correct ne? But this is one code, because this question paper is from one of my students. Okay, now lana we need the coordinates of t. Funama coordinates ga t. Alright. Ama coordinates ga t sizowathola ngalendlela le. 9 ngibonayo mina. BTD, this line is an equation. We are given an equation for BTD. We are also given the equation for AC. Therefore, this makes OT the point of intersection of these two lines, right? A point of intersection means in order what is told coordinates for a point of intersection, we need to solve lama equations for the two lines simultaneously. So now lana, equation 1 for BTD. Actually equation le yakabani yaka BTD. This equation le naka BTD ngithethe ngayisimplify to this form. 3.3 BTD equation yakhe 9 minus half x, the simplified version. We have our equation 1 with the simplified version of this equation gabani ka BTD asebenzise yona noma ungasebenzisa this one, but well, it doesn't matter ukuthi usebenzisa iphi, but mina prefer ukusebenzisa the simplified version yaka BTD ngoba izowenza life ibe lula. Now AC start ukuyithola, it's 2x minus 1 and like basiphe yona le equation, but if angishonayo basiphe yona equation ka line AC is given as, calculate ama coordinates ka C. So now ngina two yama equations engawasolve simultaneously, bese lawo ma equation aswasolve azosipha ama coordinates ka T. So now equation 1 ngizomi equator to equation 2, yabona, y is equal to this, y is equal to that. So it means 1 is going to be equal to 2. Equation 1, y is the subject of the formula. 2y is subject of a formula. So therefore, it's going to be minus half x plus 9 equal to 2x minus 1. So simplifier. But first, ntekomele siyenze la 9. Sine fraction la. So therefore, komele multiply throughout ngo2. Uzothatha y multiply ngo2, angifuni fraction kulo guy ku equation yam. So multiply nge LCD yam, which is 2 la. Multiply ngo2 la, ngithola minus x. Multiply ngo2 la. Remember la multiply ngo2 la, lo 2 cancelana na lo 2. Ngisala no minus 1x. 9 times 2 is 18 equal to 2x times 2 is 4x minus 1 times 2 is minus 2. I simplify again. X one side, so lo 4 nyam transpose ayoba minus 4. X equal to minus 2. 18 ngapha it's minus 18. Minus 5x. Lana it's minus 20. Now divide both sides to minus 5. X is equal to 4. Therefore, the x, saying the x value, I substitute the x value to one of the two equations above, but I start to equation 2, 2x minus 1, y is equal to 2. Lagno x corner ngifaka ubani 4. y is equal to 2 times 4 is 8 minus 1. Yeah, minus 1. 8 minus 1 is 7. So therefore my coordinates got t is what? My coordinates got t, it's 7 and it's 4 and 7. My coordinates got t, it's 4 and 7. Now what's kubeke ke? Angazi wathatha apha lama coordinates lo mntwana. T 10 and 19. I don't know. Mara sibona. 3.4. 3.4. If ABCD is a kite with AB equal to BC, AB is equal to BC, because with lana it's 15 as well. Nah? So because with it's 15 as well. So lana is 15. Lana it's 15 and 15 it's a kite. Okay, so alright, now one thing. In a kite, let diagonal le bisector this diagonally, so it means this piece is over equal to this piece. So this diagonal bisector this one, so le is over equal to this one. So in other words, singakhona ukuthola ama coordinates kabani ka-C using the midpoint theorem. In this question 3.4.1 singakhona ukudetermine ama coordinates ka-C using the midpoint theorem ngoba this line bisector this line, né? This is over equal to this, which makes it T the midpoint of A and C. 3.4.1. Okay, T ama coordinates got T ubani 4 no 7 is equal to midpoint theorem. Sorry, midpoint is calculated as a XA plus XC divided by 2, YA plus YC divided by 2. So therefore 4 is equal to XA plus XC divided by 2. So therefore I substitute the coordinates ka ing now. It's minus 2 and minus 5. Now my coordinates ka A minus 2 and minus 5. Minus 2 and minus 5. So A minus 2 XC divided by 2. Cross multiply is total 8. Salano minus 2 plus XC. Transpose is total 10. So it's XC. X coordinate ka C ubani 10. Okay. Now it's 7 equal to YA plus YC divided by 2. 7 YA is minus 5 plus YC divided by 2. Cross multiply is 14 minus 5 plus YC. Transpose it's 19 YC. So alright, singiyabona ke manje lama coordinates ka C. My coordinates ka C, it's 10 and 19. It's 10 and 19. So my coordinates ka C, it's 10 and 19. Right. Calculate the length of BT. Calculate the length of BT. BT now, and BT is part of a right angle triangle. Ngoba ama coordinates ka T now, it means ngakhona calculate length yala, and then this is the hypotenuse. Bese ke izongceda ukuthi ngicalculate kuphi uBT. So uzodinga le length lecala. This is given, I can calculate the third one. Now asithi ke 3.4.2 is equal to ngifuna ulo kanje uB u18 not B. Ngifuna 80 qala. So 80 I'm calculator using the length formula. So it's xa minus xt squared plus ya minus yt squared is equal to square root xa. Atimbhalela ama-coordinates la. T simcalculated as 4 and 7. It's minus 2 and minus 5. I'm given now. So it's minus 2 minus 7 squared plus ya. It's minus 5 minus yt. Oh, xt it's 4 la, not 7. It's 4. And then lana it's 7 squared is equal to square root. So lana it's minus 6 squared minus 12 la. It's minus 12 squared is equal to, but I think confirm minus 5 minus 7 it's minus 12. Okay, now I think calculator yonke ngithwalele value under the square root. So it's minus 6 squared minus 12 squared is equal to 180. The square root of 180 is 6 root 5. So now I answer it. But ngifuna ubani, I'm looking for the question. This calculate to length bt. Let's calculate to length bt. When I'm going to calculate to AT, let's calculate BT using theorem of Pythagoras. So Pythagoras routine, so the AB squared, hypotenuse AB squared is equal to AT squared plus BT squared, which is the length of sifuna, A being now 15 squared, plus, equal to AT is 6 root 5. Let's square this plus bt squared. Root 15 it's 225. Now you shall calculate because a total 225. This squared in yipa 180, not degrees but 180 plus bt squared. Now transpose. Transpose and you total 225. Minus 180 degrees in Tata. Trigonometry. Alright, it's not degrees. So 225 minus 180 in total 45 is equal to bt squared. What's the square root of 45? Square both sides. So answer it. What's the square root of 45? It's 3 root 5, which is our value for bt. So bt is equal to 3 root 5. Square root 45 is you put 3 root 5. So now what it good 3.4.3. Write down the length of the radius of the circle passing through points B, C, and T. That is for the B, C, and T. Go B, C, and T. So there's a circle I pass through B, C, and T. Go B, C, and T. So therefore, ngoba lama lines lawa are perpendicular, so 90 degrees. So it's a triangle, a right angle triangle inside a circle. Therefore, BC way to survive. According to Euclidean geometry 3.4.3, check out BC uzoba yi diameter. Why? Because we have an angle in semi-circle. We have an angle in a semicircle. This angle is 90 degrees. So it's theorem number 1. But I think it's theorem number 3, if not 2. angle in a semicircle khuluma ngani nge-diameter. So therefore BC uzoba yini i-diameter, right? Now what is parallel? The length of the radius, write down the length of the radius of the circle passing through BCT. Na circle yethu la, ne? Na circle yethu. Because of this triangle, this right angle triangle, sikwazile uku-identify the diameter yani yale circle. So it means the radius, bafuni radius of this very same circle, because it's not diameter, we can say what's the length of BC is equal to AB. I'm so basically to AB walingana no BC. So BC is 15. So this BC radius here, sorry, diameter here, and the radius is equal to diameter divided by 2 is what? It's diameter divided by 2. The diameter BC equal to what's BC? 15 divided by 2 equal to 7.5 units. So now radius here to 4. The circle pass through BC no T. So therefore amanye questions for this question paper le yaka November 2016 ngalinke in the description of this video. Nangabe ufuna ukubona la ukuthola amanye questions, create ama video for the rest of for amanye questions akhona kule question paper le. So nangabe ufuna ukuwabona, check them out lapha ku the description of this video. So thanks for watching. Bye bye. Zokubona kulamanye ama questions.